Our dog. Your dog.
Okay, Junior. Okay.
Is he on?
Yeah.
You recorded it?
I'm recording. Go.
I'm saying record the camera looking at me like the TV.
Yeah, you do it like that.
You can see me?
Mom, you're not doing it right, Mom.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Now go. Perfect.
Alright, so it's a little rap, you know what I mean, out here in Michigan. I was like, okay, watch me get it. When I was growing up, people tripping. Did it on my own, I'm gifted. I'ma let you know what's up, just listen. Since I was 12, I've been locked up on probation. Now I'm in placement, no more getting faded. A new opportunity, watch me take it. Growing up was a struggle. On the block, trying to hustle where I sell out, then I pick up. I just wanna change but never switch up. All I really know is let's get turned up. I used to get faded off the vodka. So much pain, all I wanted was to feel numb. My mom was slinging in the house, I couldn't sleep. Never catch me doing handstands, I stay on my feet. Right now, I'm about to kill this beat. Grew up without a father, so I just learned from the streets. It's time to make a change, cause this is not who I'ma be. I wanna be successful, get a job and get paid. I try to keep it real, cause I can never be fake. You only live once, living life in a game. At Lakeside Academy, it's time to make a change. While I just speak it forward, I just wanna give thanks, I'm done.
I want to go with the beat like, yeah.